What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Chowtime with Chau. I'm your host, Chau. All right, I am actually home finally from Louisiana, and I stopped by the supermarket, which we're gonna try these three different pizzas from this supermarket that I went to. If you guys watched my earlier video, it's a Rouses Supermarket. They have their own brand of products, so I decided to get these three pizza. So let's try it. All right, so these boxes say $4.25 for 9 to 12 minutes. And these all are made in Italy, exclusively for the Rouse family and customers. That's us. Let's go. There, just me, just waiting on the pizza to bake. Just playing on my phone, being socially cool. Oh, here they go. Coming out. Gotta let it cool down, right? Can't just dive on in. It's gonna be too hot. You're gonna burn yourself. All right, let's get ready to eat. All right, y'all. I had to let it cool down, and I got my kitchen shears here, and I'm gonna cut some pizza open. So let's start with the pepperoni. I mean, that's a classic, right? Yeah, pizza cutter, they work, but you know what? These shears work great too. Nice kitchen shears. There's a piece of that. Let's cut a Sicilian. And let's cut a piece of goat cheese and spinach. Looks really good. They all look really good. They're all nice and crispy. All right. Let's start off with the pepperoni. Uh-oh. Low flop. That's what pepperoni looks like. Okay, so this is not terrible, but it's not the greatest frozen pizza either. It has a nice little crisp in the crust. The back end is nice and crispy, but the front is kind of floppy and soft. The cheese is okay, it's not overpowering. And the pepperoni is really light, it's not very much pepperoni taste. But overall, it's not a bad slice. Let's try the Sicilian next. Well, Sicilian got a better crunch. No flop? This one's not that bad either. It has a nice crunch to it. I like the crispiness of the crust. The cheese kind of tastes the same as the other cheese. I'm guessing they use the same cheese for both of these. And I think there's little red peppers on it. It's not too bad. Let's try the unique one, the goat cheese and spinach. It's kind of one I wanted to try. No flop. Nice undercarriage. Definitely different. It has romaine tomatoes, spinach, and of course goat cheese on it. Definitely is different. The goat cheese is pretty creamy. The crust is pretty good. So out of all these three, I actually like the goat cheese and spinach one the best out of the three. I would say the goat cheese, spinach, the pepperoni, and the Sicilian would be my least favorite. And they're frozen pizza. They're not bad, what they are. I mean, I definitely would buy them again. I think it was like 3 for $10. So it's not a bad deal. Not the worst frozen pizza I ever had. So let's say, let's give it a 7.5 for a frozen pizza. 7.5 chows out of 10 for this Rouses frozen pizza. All right, y'all. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my food, and hopefully I can eat more pizza. All right, y'all. This is gonna be good leftovers because I'm not gonna eat it all. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys comment, share, like, subscribe. On the road to 500. We're almost there. Let's go. All right. Remember, it's always chow time.